Hey there guys, welcome back again. So today we are going to look at skills required for data analyst. So that means let's go with that directly. So what are the skills that required to become a data analyst in 2024? So first and important thing is statistical analysis, which is basically mathematics. So if you know maths already, then it's good for you. And there is no need for you to go deep into that particular yet, as of now yet. As of this particular step we are going through. So all you have to do is know mathematics, no calculations, no regression analysis, all that stuff that you have learned in if you are in an high school 12th standard, or if you have already completed engineering or any equivalent course to that. Okay, and now coming to the second thing, data cleaning and pre-processing. What that means is basically spreadsheets, which is MS Excel and Google Sheets. All you have to know is them how to import data, how to clean that data, and how to process that particular data, how to make charts, tables from that particular data. That thing can come later, but you have to know how to use Excel and Google Sheets. Okay, you can also do that stuff in SQL too, but it's pretty much easy in Excel and this Google Sheets. Okay, so coming to database management system. So coming to database management, you can use different softwares like SQL Server Management Studio, which is from Microsoft, and MySQL, Oracle, Amazon, which is basically Amazon Web Services, RDS in that, and PostgreSQL, or directly you can use MySQL too. It's better to go with MySQL if you are a beginner, but if you feel like it's it's not that good, then go with the Microsoft Server. It's really good. I actually went with that only, and it gives you a very good experience. Okay, so what you'll be doing in this is that if you have a huge amount of data, like large data sets, then you can directly import that particular data sets into my SQL, and then you can go with the first clean that particular data, and process that data, prepare that data for visualization, and gain insights from that. Use joins like basically tables and all that stuff. So that's necessary for you. That means SQL is the important thing in all of data analysis. Yes, people say that visualization and dashboards, yes, that can come later, but if you don't have enough knowledge how to gain insights from that particular data set that you have imported, you have collected, you have cleaned that data, so how you will be able to go for the visualization part, right? So that means SQL is the important thing, and believe me, for people who are not into the programming field, it might feel difficult, but if you are in programming field, you will know that it is the easiest of all the programming languages or all the courses out there in the market right now. Okay, and so the next thing is data visualization. So basically coming to data visualization, you can do that in Python too. That these are all for Python. So Tableau and Power BI are the separate business intelligence tools. All you have to do is import the data that you have cleaned and prepared, import that data, and particularly basically use joins and all that stuff, and create visualizations from that, basically in form of bar graphs, charts, and maps, etc. You learn that more in the future upcoming videos. If I have done that, it will be over here. So yes, data visualization is also important. Wait, I'll just show you. So data visualization means creating dashboards like this. Okay, you can create a lot of dashboards. This is one of the dashboards. Okay, and these are the other dashboards. You can see here they have visualized data. This is the dynamic dashboards. Dashboards are dynamic in nature. Okay, you can interact with them. Stakeholders can interact with them and gain insights from that. Okay, we can go deep into this, what are dashboards and stuff. I have already explained it in another video, but I'll just show you what exactly these are. You can see the statistical, basically the analysis of that particular data. So if you want to learn more about this, what exactly are dashboards, I'll create another video and link it up here. You can go and watch it later when it is available. Okay, so, and as I have promised, the matplotlib, cbon, ggplot, all of these are are in the programming language. We'll go to that stuff later on. So now coming to what is critical thinking and problem solving. So what do you mean by that? So what is critical thinking? So after you have done all this process, like the statistical analysis to data visualization, you will be coming to critical thinking and problem solving. So what you will do in this? So what you'll be doing in this, that you have to think critically, like, so the insights that you have gained. So what exactly is going on? Why is the reason for this spike in this particular product right now? And what is the reason for this downfall of this particular product right now? So what exactly is happening here? What should I do? What are the predictions that I need to make? What are the solutions that I need to get from this particular data? That's what this step is all about: critical thinking and problem solving. How critically you are thinking the problem that you have been given and how you're solving. The stakeholder will want to get a solution from that particular problem that he is facing from you at data analyst. So your job is to solve the problem also. So yeah, for people who are thinking it is easy to become a data analyst, it is not. People might say that it's the easiest of them all. No man, that's definitely not the case. Just because you learn Excel, spreadsheets, and SQL visualization tools doesn't mean that it's easy. This is the also important thing in here. Okay, you have to solve the problem that you have been given, or else there would be no point in you doing all that stuff at the above steps. Okay, and now coming to the domain knowledge, yes, it's definitely not required if you are a fresher, but it would help you a lot. Let me tell you why. So the domain knowledge can come at the services based or the product based companies, and also healthcare industries. If you are in the healthcare industries and you have to predict something, what exactly will happen, that it can be on the hospitals or the managements in that particular hospitals, the medical shops, etc. There is a lot of things that you can go into. So the base, okay, I'll just show you. Wait, yeah, we have gone with this, right? So problem solving and critical thinking refers to the ability to use knowledge, facts, and data to effectively solve problems. Just what we have discussed. Okay, so as you can see here, these are the different domains in data analytics. There might be a lot more than this, but these are the main things that you can see: healthcare, business analytics, fraud detection, logistics, cost, data visualization. They're all, education is also one of the important things. Finance is basically the top one of them all. Retail, risk, sales, road. There are a lot of things, right? There are a lot of domains in this particular data analysis industry. So you have to have, if you want, you can have particular knowledge in one of the domains in here. It will help you get job easily in that particular domain. And if you want to go, like, you want to have touch on all of each of them a little bit, that would be better too. But in my opinion, getting an idea on one particular domain, as if you're starting as a fresher, will help you a lot. It will limit your chances of getting a job, but it will give you a lot of boost in that particular field if you are beginner stage. And you can do that stuff after you have completed your journey in data analysis. Like after you have 2 years of experience, you can also go into that particular domain field if you want to. Communication skills, yes, this is also a necessary part. Like if you have to communicate with the other person out there. So how you will communicate, effective communication also matters, right? So if you can't convey the problem solution that you have solved, and if you can't convey that particular solution to the stakeholders or the person who have given you, the owner, so what would be the point of that, right? So you have to have effective communication skills. You should be able to give the other person what he's actually looking for, and you have to communicate in a well manner, a professional manner as a data analyst, right? Communication skill matters a lot. I'll discuss the deep of this, the deep understandings of each of the steps in the upcoming videos. I'll make an entire series for that. But what meant by effective communication means basically, as I am communicating with you right now, if you are able to understand what I mean, like all the steps I have explained to you, that means I'm doing a very good job at that. So if you don't understand what I am explaining here, that means I'm not doing a very good job. So that means my communication skills lack, like a lot. So that means other person need to understand what you mean. It might come in soft skills, hard skills. Soft skills basically how you are able to communicate, the team management stuff, and how you're able to communicate with the stakeholders, how you are getting the data from other persons. That is also comes under communication too. So communication is the key for everything in every field out there. Without communication, you cannot do anything. Okay, learn that first. I'm so sorry for that. So continuous learning. Okay, so coming to what continuous learning is basically keeping up with all these softwares that are being updated, the new tools that are coming in the field and in the data analysis. That means I have didn't learn a lot of them at the start when I was starting last year, but as soon I was able to keep up with the particular trends that are going in the data analysis field, as soon as I have completed my professional certificate from Google. So that means you have to keep up with the technology, or else you will be left behind. They will not take you, first of all. Okay, why would they want to take you if you're still in this 2010s era stuff, right? So keep up with the updates, keep up with this trending stuff, keep up with the updated stuff. Okay. And now coming to the other part of this particular data analysis stuff, you can also go with different approach in becoming a data analyst. So that means you can get into Python programming language or R programming language. As of right now, R doesn't matter that. I'm sorry to say this, or if I'm wrong, I don't know, as I'm not an experienced person, but I don't think R programming is still relevant anymore in data analysis as of now. But coming to Python, like basically rocking the stuff in this, data analysis. If you're going in the Python format, you have to know the above steps. These are steps you need to know. Yeah, definitely need to know these steps. You can't avoid them. Okay, you definitely need to know them. So now coming to more than that stuff, statistical analysis, as I've already told you, you need them. But also you have to go for the descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, hypothesis testing, regression analysis. What are these? Is basically Google search them. The video would be longer if I explain them, okay? And I can explain this stuff in another video. I'll link it up here, as I have already told you. This takes a lot of stuff, but let's just assume that you need to have a lot of statistical skills for this if you want to go into the programming side of stuff, okay? So now programming language, coming to them are SQL. SQL we already know, right? Python and R, let's just say that, okay? So coming to the Python, you have to know the machine learning tools. Basically what I have explained here, right? Where is that? This Matplotlib, Seaborn, ggplot2. So what Python offers you is, it offers a lot of libraries. They already created and imported libraries. All you have to do is import them and use them, such as Pandas, NumPy, and as I told you, Seaborn and Matplotlib. All these different libraries you will be having. All you have to do is import your data into that, do that cleaning, testing, and pre-processed data, all that, and also you can visualize them right then and there if you are using Python, which is basically the machine learning stuff. All right, so it will be called as machine learning, but you can use this machine learning stuff and also become a data analyst. A lot of people are going with machine learning stuff to become a data analyst in 2024 and even in 2023. Before that it was also there, but in these 2 to 3 years it has grown a lot. So that means Python is really relevant for you in 2024 and upcoming future too. So that means learning Python can help you a lot if you're going into the programming stuff. And if you're like, I don't want to go into the programming field, I have no idea in that, there is no problem. You can still go with these particular skills and you'll still be able to get a job in data analysis, analytics. Okay. So this video is already pretty much long. Okay. So if you want to learn more about this, come to me, come to my Instagram. DM me, I'll let you know more stuff if you want to know, and or else I'll make a follow-up video for this, and also I'll be making all different videos for all these steps, and I'll explain in detail what exactly are those, and I'll link it up in the the card, and you can go and watch in future if I've already done that. So give a like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.